where he tested his hands for radioactivity. The White Rock Pavilion at Hastings was the meeting place of the courts of Brotherhood and Guestling of the Confederation of Cinque Ports. The chief event was the presentation by the Mayor of Hastings to Sir Winston of a new portrait. It shows him as Lord Warden of the Cinque Ports. In accepting it, Sir Winston referred to the grim days of war.
I was called upon to play a part in the war. And oddly enough, this entailed many visits to the Cinque Ports. I take a great pride in holding the office of Lord Warden of the Cinque Ports. When you approach the end of a long life, there is a comfort in looking back on the past and belonging to an institution of such age and dignity.
By his direction, the portrait is to be hung in Dover Castle, beside those of other Lord Wardens. In the afternoon, a ceremony with the fishermen of Hastings. Sir Winston, arriving with Field Marshal Lord Montgomery,